Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So today I'm back with a fabric painting video. Actually, as we are approaching towards our festive season, we have our Durga Puja, then Lakshmi Puja, and then Diwali. So I was thinking of designing some dresses. So I purchased a very simple solid color kurti from a shop nearby and made some floral motifs on it. So here is the outcome. You can see, and I think it's looking gorgeous now. So if you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button and please watch the video till the end. So let's start. It's a turquoise blue color kurti and the material is rayon. I have drawn some flowers and leaves with glass marker. While painting on rayon, don't dilute the color too much and keep it a bit thick, otherwise the color may spread. I'm coloring the flowers with lemon yellow and orange, but you can use colors as per your choice. I'm applying 2 coats of colors to make them prominent. For more ideas like this, keep watching and please subscribe to our channel because more fabric painting videos are coming very soon.